Today I will walk you through how to use the AI Home Design feature in RSA. To use the AI Home Design feature, ensure that you have a listing file in RSA. First, we will need to log into RSA, click on Transaction, then click on Listings. Click on the listing file you want to work with, then click Transaction Details. Click Photos. Click Select, and then select the photos you would like to edit, and then click Edit with AI. Select the photo, and then you will be taken to the screen you can edit the photo on. AI Home Design allows you to do AI Virtual Staging, AI Data Desk, AI Item Removal, and AI Image Enhancement. Select which AI editing feature you would like to use. Today we'll start with AI Virtual Staging. Select what space it is, and then select the style. Select whether you would like to remove the furniture or not, and then click Generate. The system will create multiple AI stage versions of the photo. Choose your favorite, click Ready for Export, then click Done. Now let's go through how to use the AI Data Desk. Select the photo, then click AI Data Desk. Select the sky style. Select if you would like shadow removal or lawn replacement, and then click Generate. The system will create multiple AI stage versions of the photo. Choose your favorite, click Ready for Export, then click Done. Now let's go through item removal. Click the photo, and then click AI Item Removal. Select whether you want to do the whole room or mask items. If you select the whole room, it automatically detects the furniture and declutters the room. If you click Mask Items, you will have to draw around the items you would like to remove on your screen. Then click Generate. The system will create multiple AI stage versions of the photo. Choose your favorite, click Ready for Export, then click Done. And lastly, let's go through the AI Image Enhancement. Select the photo and click AI Image Enhancement. Select whether it's an indoor or outdoor photo and choose which enhancements you would like. Once completed, click Generate. The system will create multiple AI stage versions of the photo. Choose your favorite, click Ready for Export, then click Done. When finished editing, click Export, then click Export Listing. This adds the edited photos to your RSA listing file. These enhanced photos are now available in the Photos tab of your listing and can be easily identified by the AI Enhanced badge. To download them to your device, click Select, choose the desired photos, and click Download. Once downloaded, the images are saved and ready to use, whether for marketing materials, uploading to the MLS, or any other purpose. Congratulations, you've officially learned how to use the AI Home Design feature in RSA.